Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you a helpful tool that will assist you with your mechanical needs. So I've used these Mastercraft lock and drive screwdrivers in a lot of my videos and received many inquiries on where to buy them. First off, this set is ideal for use in tight or sensitive locations where you don't want to drop anything. They're also more of a precision tool and not meant for heavy-duty workloads. With this strong spring, they hold the screws firmly. My set is a 6-piece with various Phillips, slotted, and Robertson heads. Now my particular brand is Mastercraft, and as of this video, it seems to be a discontinued item. However, Greenlee sells a similar design, which I will place a link in the description below. Klein Tools is another brand that also carries this design, and that link will also be placed in the description below. Now, if you have another preference of holding screwdrivers that you like, please place those links in the description below so our viewers and subscribers can make a decision on the option that best suits them. There you have it, a simple tool to make your mechanical fixes or detailing experience just a bit more enjoyable, as you won't go fishing for a lost screw. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.